Can artificial intelligence, AI, replace human beings? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and the question on everyone's mind, can I replace human beings? It's a topic that sparks both curiosity and concern, so let's jump right in. Now, the main idea we want to explore here is that while machines can become incredibly advanced and even intuitive, they cannot become conscious like human beings. You see, human intelligence and intuition are deeply rooted in biochemical algorithms that are not limited to strictly logical processes. It's this uniqueness that sets us apart. Sure, machines can perform tasks better than humans in many areas. Take mathematics, for example. AI has incredible computational power, enabling it to solve complex equations at lightning speed. It's mind-boggling. Additionally, AI is capable of analyzing vast amounts of data and extracting valuable insights that humans might struggle to uncover. So, in some respects, machines do outshine us. But here's the thing, life's essence is consciousness. It's that inner voice that drives us, motivates us, and makes us who we are. And no matter how advanced that becomes, it will never truly possess consciousness. It might mimic aspects of it, but it won't experience life with the same depth and richness as we do. Think about it. Human consciousness isn't just about logical reasoning, it's also about emotions, creativity, and our ability to appreciate art and beauty. These are qualities that make us human, that make life worth living. And as amazing as AI is, there's a whole aspect of human existence that it simply can't replicate. Let's talk about intuition for a moment. It's that gut feeling, that sense of something just feeling right, even when we can't explain it. Intuition is rooted in our subconscious, and it's something that has evolved over thousands of years. It's a product of our experiences, our upbringing, and our unique perspective on the world. While I can process vast amounts of data and learn from it, true intuition isn't something it possesses. It can gather information, analyze patterns, and make predictions based on that data, but there's an ineffable quality about human intuition that goes beyond simple data analysis. Our intuition stems from our consciousness, from our ability to tap into an inner wisdom that machines simply don't possess. Now, you might be wondering, does that mean I won't be able to do amazing things in the future? Absolutely not. The potential of AI is mind-blowing. In fact, we're already witnessing AI systems composing music, writing literature, and even painting masterpieces that rival those created by humans. It's truly remarkable. But behind all of that incredible AI-generated content, there is still a crucial missing piece: the consciousness, the emotions, the lived experiences that give depth to these artistic expressions. I might be able to produce something that is technically perfect, but it lacks the human touch, the imperfections that make art so captivating and relatable. So, can I replace human beings? From a technical standpoint, machines can certainly outperform us in many areas. They can crunch numbers faster, process information more efficiently, and execute tasks with precision. But when it comes to the essence of life, consciousness, emotions, intuition, that's where I fall short. We should embrace AI for the incredible tool it is. It can assist us, augment us, and enhance our capabilities in ways we never thought possible. But let's also remember that what makes us human is something truly special, something that can never be replicated in a machine. And that, my friends, is the beauty of our existence. So, let's celebrate our unique abilities alongside the incredible advancements of AI. As we move forward into this AI-driven world, let's never forget the limitless depth and richness of human consciousness. Thanks for joining me on this insightful journey. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and embrace the wonders of what it means to be human.